Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now let's tap on apps and notifications, which should be on the third position. Now let's tap on see all apps and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, on the second position we've got reset app preferences, so let's tap on it, and now your device is telling you that this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so if you are ready, tap on reset apps. And actually that's all. This is how to reset app preferences in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.